totally forgot to film. I'm at Washington Square Mall in Tigard and I'm in Nordstrom. I've been here for hours. It's so beautiful. I feel like I haven't gone shopping forever and it's just like, I don't know if they don't have a lot of inventory, but to me it's all new, so this is it. I'm wearing a jacket that I made a few weeks ago. I don't really remember what this is. Is this supposed to be like a Taiwanese? Asian? Oh my gosh, what the heck is that? Oh no, cheat day begins. First thing I've eaten all day.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it tastes like a butter roll.
Just like a basic butter roll?
Mm-hmm. I mean, it's good, but yeah.
Let me try. Mmm.
I'm not sure if it's like,
It has
yeah,
cream in the middle.
yeah.
Mmm.
Oh, the inside has a lot of cream. Okay.
Well, that's really soft.
Oh man. Oh my
The
god.
full
Yes.
with jam, cucumber, seaweed, and top with the tuna and some spicy sauce. You just eat it.
Yes.
Thank
Perfect.
you.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Well, this is pretty. Is that like a ooh my gosh. Let's see how hard this is. Should I do this?
Wait, you want these cupcakes?
Sure.
I only have one pair.
It's for the true Asian.
Oh my gosh. I wanted to eat them
Oh
all.
look, bell peppers.
Too hot for me. I always tease AJ because I'm like, this spice level like ketchup.
Don't do it, stop.
Is it?
No, okay, it's fine. When at first, I was like, oh, this is gonna be too hot. Oh no, it's good, okay.
I got the water ready. Even though
Wait a
it
minute,
makes it worse.
is this actually cup of noodles that they use?
I don't think so.
No, I think it is. This noodle isn't. How did you just eat this? That's like so pretty.
I love the little dishes and stuff too.
Oh, that's really good.
Probably the best sushi I've ever had though was in Oahu. That roasted raw sushi was
That's dope.
phenomenal.
The quality of that tuna?
That was insane. I was like,
Oh my gosh. I dream about that spicy tuna. Okay, like, is this how peas grow? Like, am I crazy?
I don't know. I don't know this.
What? I literally don't know what I'm eating.
What is it?
Oh, it's green peppercorns.
Dude?
No, but it might also take a while. Have you ever heard of Booma? Booma. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure if it's weird or not, but you just bought like, wait, where's your pile? All these proteins from Goodwill. You got two, right? Or did you get three?
Yeah, I got two.
Okay, yeah, we all got different flavors. But, I mean, look at that. $4.99 for this. I'm like, never tried the Tone It Up brand, but this Vega one is tasty, so. Oops. I bought it. And I tried to buy another shirt, but someone stole it from me.
8-hour work week, 725 is what?
Where's the Jean-Claude Van Damme that you stole?
Jean-Claude.
You will
And
earn.
on the back too. One's an imposter though, because I don't know, they messed up his face. Look at his face. He's like 20 years younger.
It's not even it. Maybe in the first stages of it, we still order through you, and then you deliver right here. Yep.
Why is it so cold?
Now open on site, outdoor dining service.
Okay, I've got the danger zone sign.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Wait, do you still want to go to Paddy if you got this drink?
Oh yeah, I don't know what this is.
Okay, wait. Danger Zone, lime, caprina.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and here comes some food. The roti.
Okay.
I like this little cup color too.
I do too. Yeah, it feels really sturdy. Sturdy. Okay. Oh, I love that one. Dip my sleeve in that salmon. Oh gosh, they're both really good. Those are both really good. Look how cute that little cup is. Yeah, this stuff is so good. It's like gooey, chewy, soft, flaky. Did you say whoa? Yeah. Look at how fat Chow Fun. Very fun.
Sushi roll.
Chow Fun is great. I love fat noodles. Look at this. Wait, oh, that's eggplant. Oh my gosh. See, this is too much work for me to cook myself. We might need this sauce that I keep almost dipping my sleeve in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me try it alone. Oh, good flavor. This isn't even like Indonesian, this is the Chinese food.
Whoa,
Oh, it's unrolling.
That's so cool.
These thick
They learn how
chopsticks.
to use chopsticks?
Hey, you know what? My trigger thumb finally healed. It's like cold out here.
Oh my gosh, picture pastry.
Yeah, this dark sauce it comes with. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh!
It's so slippery. Got it.
One of the table likes noodles. Stab it. A Dipsy and walk my cross.
It was ramen. It was like
The ramen noodles. Poop. Or chocolate.
what are those food carts?
What inspires you? It's like Dr. Seuss. Wait, what?
Wait, what is this?
They're building something. What? Okay. Hood strawberry Thai rice.
Okay,
Remember we had that turmeric,
Turmeric.
gelato in
Yeah,
Honolulu?
matcha mochi.
I don't even like matcha, but that one drink you had was alright. It's like kind of cold.
These big boards, like support beams. And so I kind of helped out.
Wait, which one did you try? Here, take your stuff.
That's milk, and then that's the blondie versus brownie.
Brownie versus blondie. I want this brownie chunk. Okay, that was so good.
That might be
Wait. This is so good.
Toasted milk's good too.
It's like, I'm trying to figure out this flavor. It's like super thick. Like, I can't move because
Bug zapper.
Takia. Okay, adult Thai tea. That's the famous waterfall. Oh, that's really good. That is good.
Adult.
I mean, Thai tea with a kick. Don't complain about that. It's like horchata, rum chata.
It's actually cheese.
Well, they do cheese words. But I think also, well,
Yeah, I'm in Portland. Okay, we just got our food. I gotta go. Yeah, that's pretty sweet, man. Awesome. Love you guys. Oh, malasadas.
oops, it is it.
That is good.
Isn't that tasty? The meat is like the softest thing ever. Coconut Danish? Coconut tart? The inside is really good. Like, make that recycled trash can out of recycled street signs.
What is yuzu cheesecake? Ricotta hotcake sounds so good though. Saffron French toast.
Hi guys, how
Hi.
are you?
That was good. Can I get a 12-ounce drip?
Gotta see.
Tie my shoes.
Didn't have a great reaction to that coffee, but I just said that's the avocado toast. This looks like eggs Benny, but no. And the ricotta hotcake with yuzu, miso, some kind of glaze. Wait, that's just straight up cheese. Oh my gosh. Straight up. Wait, is this cheese?
Yeah, that's like a slab of ricotta.
No, it's freeze dried. This isn't ricotta.
What is it?
No, it's like. Is that freeze dried ricotta? Or marshmallow or something? This is like an amazing pancake. Are you kidding me? That sauce on there? Like, how is this miso thing gonna work? I'm actually not even mad about the citrus thing being in with it. It's like perfect altogether.
You haven't even looked at the avocado toast yet.
Those black sesame crumbles. Now I was eating a peppercorn. Oh, is that like one piece of toast?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna break the yolk, okay? Place across from Renee's other apartment that their seasoning on that, I don't know if it's the egg or the toast, really good. Really like pickled onion too. So spicy. Yeah, I think. But like,
No, we like it.
so messy, but so good. So so good. That was so good.
I feel like thinking like, oh, I'll lose all my money.
Right.
Gambling.
Cute tank top and then that.
So tired after those bins. There's a lot of them. They actually seem a little bit cleaner than Salem's ones, but I didn't see a lot of really old stuff, so. That's the one I got. It's Moroccan food. Just like some of my favorite. Alright, I'm not sure which one's which. I got one spicy Moroccan chicken plate. Oh, that looks really good. Look at it. Saffron rice. Okay, this one must be the spicy one. Okay, let me see if I can find a fork. Okay, I think this is the spicy one. I'm gonna try. Came with a garlic sauce on it. He said it was very, very, very spicy. It's not, but nice and tasty. Mmm. Some pickled onions and beets. And let me see how these, it's like some kind of carrots with feta. This was $13 and the regular chicken was $10. Not sure if I've ever actually had Moroccan, had Lebanese, obviously Mediterranean. I love the combination of kind of creamy, spicy, pickly, crunchy, cold. This was Casablanca something food cart. I'm gonna try the regular one just to see. Make sure that was, I got the right one here. Ooh, this one's like piping on. Also really, really good. Yum. Oh, great amount of food. Very happy. Of course. Also forgot to mention my favorite food cart around downtown is the Egyptian food cart on the corner. Love their food. It's also such a good value, but yeah, I wanted to try this new food cart area picnic, so because it was really close by the Goodwill I just came from. It's really cool. Leftovers.
Ride or die.
What? Jeez, I didn't know they're gonna be like full on. What's your favorite one? Yes, twisted croissant.
Twisted transistor, 27 minutes. That's right. That's fine.
Okay, this one's like a winner.
Go to the top.
I'm still thinking about that Proud Mary.
Yeah, that
Every time I say that, I'm almost saying Hail Mary, but this is Puerto Rican food. There's like little huts outside. Now we just need a bottle of rum like Cuba. I hope that's hot.
What about the rice with chicken?
Yeah, that's what I want.
The regular chicken empanadas, and then this empanada is different because it's you.
Wait, are you kidding me? So this is the plantains, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tostones? Oh my gosh, I had these, oh, I think I've had those. Yes, that's what I thought it was. I've had these ones, they're so good. I had them in Los Angeles.
Mix.
Oh, this is like a shepherd's pie in a nice little package.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix all these hot
Shepherd's
sauces.
pouch.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I love it too.
Oh, yep, that's amazing. I just want to like eat it like this, like a pizza or something like this.
Oh, chicken.
Ooh, that looks juicy. Shoot. Wait. That outside is so soft. Oh, the hot sauce though. It's such a light and flaky outside.
I think it's the yuca that's wrapped. Or it's
that's the,
inside a plantain, I think.
That's the tamale.
Oh. Wow.
It's so pretty.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
All I need is my sauce. Yeah, made kind of a mess down there. Oh my gosh, the texture. Oh my gosh, it's like mochi on the outside. It's like so gooey. Bistek. And I don't remember.
The chicken and the rice, the yellow rice, tostones, and then the steak sandwich.
Oh, this all together is gonna be.
That's good.
Fun. It's so fun to dip all together and mix.
No sauce, first bite. Very good.
Okay. Oh, I see cheese on there. Pickles. This is the one with all the meats in it. 3.
It was for like May of next year. It was like, we just have to get on the list. I was like, I'm just going to throw it on the list and call it a day. Because that's when it was like so hyped. And then
It was huge. Everyone wanted to go
I
there.
remember I was training. I was there at the gym and I got a phone call. It's like, hi, this is Rochelle Longbond Portland. We have an opening tonight for 2. Would you like to take it? And I go, yes, here's my credit card number. I'm ready to go right now. Because you had to like put your, you had to like, you couldn't just like fake it. You had to put your money where your mouth is. And he was like, here you go. I'm like, we'll see you guys at 6:30 tonight or whatever. Then I called you and I was like, pick up.
No, I was eating lunch. I was across the street eating lunch. Eating an entire pizza to myself. And I saw my phone like blowing up and I'm like, oh, I don't know what that is. Continue eating. Finish everything. Finish the entire pizza. They're like, we got the thing for Longbond. The 12-course meal, the thing we've been waiting for this whole time. I was like, I just ate an entire pizza and I have to get off and put 3 hours and eat a 12-course meal. I was like,
All you said was, I just ate an entire pizza. Because when I told Renee, it was like, she was like, yeah, all I told her was like, and then Nikki, all of her response was, I just ate an entire pizza. It wasn't like, I'm so excited. It wasn't like,
I was.
We finally got in, it was like, I just ate an entire pizza. It was like the first thing that came to mind.
The Jing Bing.
Oregon was amazing. Taiwanese bowl tea place, kind of by the Portland. Run by women, filled by boba. My favorite. Not. I don't have rewards. What does this say? Oh. I've never seen this one before. You need a straw?
Yeah, we need one of those.
Okay. Do I need a spoon?
Yep, that's good. Hold my hands.
Oh, I see now. Ash, as I drop it. The pink panda. Cool.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, I see. The cookies and cream ice cream's on top. And this is strawberry milk, which I've like always wanted to drink as a kid, but I couldn't because I was allergic.
That was lactose free.
The best thing ever when I have real ice cream. Ooh, I love strawberry ice cream too, but this is actually cookies and cream ice cream with strawberry milk. What a combo!
That's so
Oh
good.
wait, I didn't get any of the bobas yet.
No.
Oh my gosh, strawberry milk. How do you not drink this in like 60 seconds? Because I could. I just got the boba.
Isn't it so good? You don't even like this coffee.
You think so?
Maybe.
Oh, it's cold brew though. Oh my gosh, I just got a cookie and the boba. Wow. Yeah, that's actually good coffee. I don't know what they did, but I actually like it.
Yum.
Boba wasted. That's our hashtag. Get boba wasted.